How to fix if you could not sign into the Xbox Live Windows. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix if you could not sign into the Xbox Live Windows. So without any further delay, let's move on towards the video. First thing first, you need to go to search bar and then search for Xbox app. Next, right click on it and then click on app settings. Once you have done that, scroll down until you find repair and reset. Click on repair and wait for some time for the app to be repaired. After that, you need to click on reset. Okay, once it's done, we need to go back and again in the search button, you need to search for Microsoft Store. Once you have done that, you need to right click on it and you need to go back to the app settings. Here also we'll repeat the same thing. Scroll down and click on repair and reset. Now click on reset. Once we have done that, we need to go back to start and then click on control panel and we need to click on uninstall a program. You need to scroll down until you see Microsoft Edge. Right click on it and tap on change. Now you need to tap on repair. And that's it. If you follow these steps, this might help you solve your problem. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks, and I'll see you in the next video.